Greetings from great used auto sales in sunny South Florida. Up for sale today, this 2023 Chevrolet Traverse Premier model. Loaded up, all the toys, dual sunroofs, 360 camera, upgraded, beautiful condition, leather interior, so many extras, looks amazing. Gonna go ahead and finish giving it a quick walk around, and then we'll take it panel by panel and show you the condition of the vehicle. Beautiful dark gray color, beautiful accents in black, looks amazing. All right, let's take a look here. Front bumper's in beautiful shape, looks super clean, really outstanding condition. Let's take a look at the upper lamp, beautiful shape. Lower lights also in beautiful condition. Grill's in beautiful shape, look at that, very nice. Black bow tie emblems on it. That's the front camera right there, super nice. Check out the other headlamp here on the driver's side, beautiful condition. Lower lights in beautiful shape. Hood's in beautiful condition, looks clean throughout, very nice. No marks on it, looks amazing. Lower part of the bumper looks good, very nice condition. All right, let's take a look at the front fender. On the passenger side, beautiful condition, looks clean throughout, really outstanding shape. Taking a look at the front door on the passenger side, beautiful condition, clean throughout, really amazing condition. All right, let's take a look at the mirror. Mirror's in beautiful condition. It's got a lane alert right there. The side camera right here for your 360 view. Turning signal built into the mirror, very nice. All right, taking a look at the rear door on the passenger side. Beautiful condition, clean throughout, looks amazing. Quarter panel here on the passenger side, beautiful condition, looks clean throughout, very nice shape. All right, now we're taking a look at the rear door, beautiful condition, looks amazing. Hatch is in beautiful shape. This one has parking sensors here in the rear, very nice. This one has the rear camera and also a rear mirror camera, super nice, very nice condition. All right, let's take a look at the quarter panel here on the driver's side, beautiful condition, looks clean throughout. Rear door on the passenger side, beautiful condition, clean throughout, looks amazing. Taking a look at the front door on the driver's side, beautiful condition, clean throughout, looks amazing. Front fender on the driver's side, looks amazing, super clean. Let's take a quick look at the windshield. The windshield's in beautiful shape. Does have a tiny little chip right here, nothing major. It's the only thing I see on this side. Let's take a walk around, look at the roof. Dual sunroofs on this one, nice feature. All right, let's look at the windshield on this side. Windshield on this side looks good, clean throughout, very nice condition, really amazing shape. All right, that's going to conclude our walk around on this one. 2023 Chevrolet Traverse Premier model, loaded up, all the toys. Stay tuned, we're going to go ahead and take a look at the interior, and then we'll take it for a test drive. We'll be right back. All right, we're taking a look at the front door panel on the driver's side. Door panel's in beautiful condition, looks clean throughout, really amazing shape. Look at that. All the controls, memory seat for the driver, rear power hatch. Driver's seat's in beautiful condition, looks amazing. Perforated in the center, little piping here, nice accent. Dashboard, steering wheel, rugs look good, very nice condition, really amazing shape. Okay, we're taking a look at the passenger side front door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition, looks clean throughout, really amazing shape, very nice condition. All right, take a look at the passenger seat in the front. Beautiful shape, clean throughout, looks amazing. Rugs are in beautiful shape. Dashboard, steering wheel looks amazing, really nice condition all the way through. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear driver's side door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition, looks amazing, really outstanding shape. Take a look at the rear seat here, second row, looks beautiful. The piping perforated in the center, looks amazing. Rugs are clean, really outstanding condition. In the center console here, we have controls for the AC, also for the heated seats in the second row. Power plug there for your laptop or whatever. USBs, very nice. All right, let's take a look here. Rear seat, beautiful condition, clean throughout, looks amazing. Seats are clean and in beautiful condition. USBs for the third row back here, very nice feature, looks really, really nice. Beautiful condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear passenger side door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition, looks amazing, really outstanding shape. All right, take a look at the second row seating. Really beautiful condition. Take a look here, very nice. Rugs are clean, beautiful condition, really outstanding shape. Take a look at those dual sunroofs on this one. Really nice feature, looks amazing. Third row, beautiful condition. Let's take a look. Really outstanding shape, very nice condition. Beautiful entry there, looks beautiful. Okay, we're sitting inside this 2023 Traverse Premier model. All right, there's a key fob for it. Lock, unlock, remote start, and power hatch with panic. Beautiful key. We're going to set it down right here. All right, and then we're going to go ahead and do the push button start. Here we go. Press the brake, push the button, starts right up. Fantastic. Look at the gauges going all the way up and back down. Chevrolet products always do that, showing the gauges are fully functional. That is so nice. All right, so this one has 49,334 miles. Fantastic. All right, so this is the upgraded feature here. It's got the center screen right there. So it's got a lot of information here. So you can click through it here to see the information. So we're looking at the trip computer 2, fuel range till empty, oil life, tire pressure sensors, air filter life. This is the average miles per gallon, timer. Super nice. Then if you click here to the left, you can select the radio mode. Shows you what's on the radio station. That's nice. Go click again. Navigation, whatever street you're on right there. That's nice too. Lets you know when your next turn is coming up if you're using navigation to get somewhere. The phone shows you whatever's connected on your phone. And settings for the vehicle. That's nice. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to leave it on the information here. Trip computer 1, we'll leave it on this one here. Shows you the miles till empty. That's a nice feature. All right, so let's look here. Front and rear wipers, turning signals here, highlights, everything's working perfect. This is for the cruise control, collision detection here. There's an adjustment right there. You can adjust the distance. Further away is always better. Right there, further away. This is for the information center we're messing around with right now. Fantastic. All right, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, memory seat for the driver, automatic lights right here. Steering wheel is leather wrapped, looks amazing. Really nice. Amazing condition. Dashboard steering wheel looks amazing, looks brand new all the way through. Very nice. Really looks nice. Look at that. All right, taking a look at the center console here. Beautiful condition. Down below here we have power plug, USBs, and auxiliary, and a little disc here you can put in for your navigation map. This is a wireless charger for your cell phone. Cup holders. You can set this up for snow or trailering. The engine bypass here. The lane alert bypass. Parking brake release. Up above here we're looking at the information center, which is the radio and all that good stuff here. But let's take a look at the AC first. So right now I have the cool seats are on the driver's side. So it has heated and cool seats. This is the heat. Super nice. It also has the air conditioned seat for the passenger to the front, and also the heated. And then here you can sync the AC here, but you can put it on 2 separate temperatures. You can see there, see that? And it shows up here on top when you move it. Super nice. The fan controllers, the vent controllers. All right, now we're looking at the radio. Beautiful condition here. All right, we're looking at the navigation on one side. On the other side, we're looking at the radio. If you click home, it goes to all the selections there in the menu. So that's AM, FM. More, we go see all the sources that are available. AM, FM, XM radio, Bluetooth, and Spotify. So we go back home again. Phone settings. If you're going to pair your phone, you pair it there. And then you can see the list of phones you have paired. Navigation. Super nice. Wi-Fi settings, in case you're going to subscribe to that. Users. You can set up users. That way each one have their stations stored and all that good stuff there. Settings for the vehicle. We're looking at the vehicle settings. We're going to go to collision detection. So this one has all the safety features pretty much. Alert type. So this one has the vibration of the seat is turned on right now. Or you can have it beep, whichever you like best. Forward collision alert. Adaptive cruise notification. Lane change alert. Parking assist. Rear cross traffic. Rear pedestrian detection. Super nice. All the safety features. This is for the apps. Apple CarPlay. Climate. Satellite radio. You can set all that up through there. And this is the settings for the time, the language, all that good stuff there. So we'll go back home again. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Click to the side here, more apps. OnStar service. The climate control, check it out. You can see it there, front and rear. That's nice. Let's go back again here. That's the rear climate control. This is the camera settings. So check it out. Out of the steering wheel turned all the way, so that's why it's looking that way. So now we're facing forward. We're looking at the camera forward. There's the camera in reverse. There's the camera close up in the back, close up in the front. These are the sides, front and rear. Super nice. It's got all the features, man. It's really nice. Go back to home again. Okay, so Chevrolet Maps, Spotify, My Chevrolet, and XM Radio. That's pretty much it on this one. All right, guys. Oh, up above here, there's the nice feature on this one. This one has a rear view camera itself. Right here, we're looking at the mirror. There's the actual camera. Look at that view there. That is amazing. So we're gonna leave it on the camera view. It's so nice. Up above here, we have controls for the automatic garage door openers. You can set them up, 3 zones here. And we're gonna go ahead and open up the sunroof. So this one has dual sunroofs. So the front shade is manual. So you open it up like that. But let's go ahead and open up the rear shade. Look at that rear shade, beautiful. And then the one in the front here, we can go ahead and open it up. There you go. Sunroof works amazing. Go back again. And the shade is manual. We just click it back again. And then we're going to bring forward this shade from the back. There it is. Okay, so this is all the features on this one. Also, this one has rear AC on the roof. Super nice. Which the controls are right here. Check that out. The controls are right there for the rear passengers with the heated seats for the second row. All right, guys, that's pretty much it. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take it for a little test drive. We'll be right back. Okay, we're all set. Take it for a test drive here. Here we go. Beautiful drive. So smooth. This one's powered by a 6-cylinder, a lot of power, super smooth. Really nice drive. Beautiful drive. Super nice drive. All right, we're gonna go ahead and test out our backup camera, our 360 view here. Here we go. And then that's gonna conclude our test drive. Here we go. All right, now I put it in reverse. There you go. It's throwing all the way around. 360 view. You can see it from the top. See that? Turn the steering wheel. The little lines there roll which way you're going to roll back, which is super nice. So we're rolling back here. Check it out. That is such a nice feature. Look at this. Here we go. Fantastic. All right. So it has the little flickering light there. It's letting us know that the parking assist back there. Notice there was something back there, those bushes. And instead of beeping, it's set for vibrating the seat. So you can have it beep the alert, or it can vibrate the seat. So right there. All fully functional, fantastic. Now, if let's say you're gonna go ahead and pull off and drive away, or if you're gonna parallel park, you'll be able to see the front camera. That's the front camera there. And this is the rear camera. That is so nice. Okay, and then another feature here, we can go ahead and click this here. It's gonna show us, see, that's the view right there towards the front. See right there, we're looking at the front view. Click again, that's the rear view there. In case you're gonna park in a tight spot or something, or in a garage somewhere. That's super nice. And then this one here, this is for the lines for the trailer. This one's a good one here too. This is the rear camera, so you see the back of the vehicle right there. That's the grass. And if we click it there, that's the front view. Okay, so we're all set. There you go. Now we put it back in park. All set. Fantastic. All right, so stay tuned, guys. We're gonna go ahead and take a look at the engine, look at those tires. We'll be right back. Okay, take a look at the remote. We're gonna open up the hatch here. 2 buttons, here we go. Very nice. Let's take a look inside here. Beautiful condition. Really amazing shape. Looks brand new. Very nice condition. It's got a little power plug here. Super nice. Beneath here, a little bit of storage there. Beneath that, that's where the spare tire is mounted. Very nice. Beautiful condition. Let's go ahead and close it. It's got the button here. You can click on that. Closes right up. Perfect. Really amazing. All right, we're taking a look under the hood. Engine compartment is clean and in beautiful condition. Take a look here. Looks amazing. Beautiful condition all the way through. Really amazing shape. Looks super nice. Beautiful condition. Really outstanding shape. 6-cylinder power. Looks amazing. Very nice. Taking a look at the front tire here. Front tire on the driver's side. Amazing condition. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Does have a little scratch right there. Besides that, looks beautiful. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire. Rear tire on the driver's side. Tire looks great. Good amount of tire tread on there. Rim is clean and in beautiful condition. Let's take a close look. Very nice shape all the way through. Looks amazing. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire on the passenger side. Tire's in great shape. Good amount of tire tread on there. Rim is clean and in beautiful condition. Looks amazing. Beautiful shape all the way through. All right, we're taking a look at the front tire here. Front tire on the passenger side, beautiful condition. A lot of tread on there, looks amazing. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Very nice. Beautiful condition. Okay, that's gonna conclude our video for this 2023 Chevrolet Traverse Premier model. Vehicle's in beautiful condition, really outstanding shape. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046 or visit our website for more information. GreatUsedAutoSales.com. Thanks for watching.